To perform a nozzle check on the SureColor V1070, first of all, you want to make sure to have the correct media height selected for the material you want to print a nozzle check on. I have my clear film here, which I have saved under Media Management and set the media height off by film. So first of all, we're going to click on Menu, then Maintenance, Print Head Nozzle Check, and then the printer prompts us to load a sheet where we're going to print a nozzle check on. I'm going to put it on the bed. Make sure to turn on the vacuum and close the main cover. And then we have on the bottom left, print settings, where we can select if we want to print a nozzle check in the front, in the center, or the back of our media. I'm going to select the front, which is the default. Then we'll click the Start button and press the Start Printing button. Now the printer is deodorizing, which means it's filtering out the air inside of the printer. On the display, you see a timer which shows you the remaining time. Now we can open the cover, turn off the vacuum, and let's inspect the nozzle check. So we want to make sure that all lines are visible, no missing lines. Press the button on the bottom right with the circle if all lines are visible. If you have missing lines on your nozzle check, press the X button and watch the video on how to perform a head cleaning. And that's it.